How to block someone on TikTok. Hello everyone. If you're receiving unwanted attention on TikTok, you can block users. Once blocked, they can't view your videos or engage with you through direct messages, comments, follows, or likes. Here's how to block someone on TikTok in this latest update. First things first, open your TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account. Then, go to the profile page of the person you want to block. Once you get to the person's profile that you want to block, all we need to do is select the arrow in the top right of the app. And then at the bottom of this page, you'll see block option. So, just select and tap on that, and you'll get pop-up message over your screen. To confirm that you do indeed want to block this user, just tap on block button. Now, you've successfully blocked the user. Keep in mind that, by blocking someone on TikTok, their account will no longer appear in your For You page or search results, or be able to send you direct messages or interact with your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.